Hello guys, today's video will be on the characteristics of life. We know that the characteristics of life are processes that occur in an organism. These processes differentiate living cells from non-living cells. The processes include movement, which is also called locomotion, respiration, which we call breathing, sensitivity, which is also called irritability, growth and development, reproduction, excretion, and nutrition. Firstly, let us look at movement or locomotion. Locomotion is a process whereby part of an organism or the entire part of the body leave from one place to another. In this process, there is an action of appendages such as the limbs, wings, and flagella. In some animals, such as fish and shark, the locomotion results from a wave-like series of muscles contraction. Few examples of locomotion in animal are walking, running, and swimming. The reason why living things carry out this process is to find food, avoid harsh weather conditions, and escape from their predators. Another process is called respiration. Respiration is a process of breathing gas exchange in the lung by inhaling oxygen and expelling carbon dioxide. There are different ways or different features that aid in respiration in animal. Respiration in amoeba is by diffusion. Fish, they use their gill for respiration. And invertebrate like the caterpillar, they use their spiracle for respiration. The essence of this process is to provide energy for the living thing. Sensitivity. Sensitivity is the ability of living thing to respond to stimuli. Stimulus are anything that cause change in the environment that affect an organism. A stimulus could be temperature, pressure, sound, and chemicals. Animals have nerve and sensory organs. This enables them to respond quickly in their environment. They do not show growth movement in response to stimuli. But for plants, they lack nervous system, so they respond slowly to stimuli by growth movement. The next one is growth. Growth is the increasing size and complexity of living things. This occurs through the multiplication of cells and an increase in the intracellular substances. Plants exhibit the ability to grow throughout their lifetime, but we humans, after attaining maturity, it gradually breaks down before it completely ceases. The factors affecting growth are internal factors, which include growth hormones, and external factors, which includes the light, temperature, and water. Now, let's look at reproduction. Reproduction is a process by which living things give rise to their young one. There are two types of reproduction. We have sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction involves two parent cells, which is the male and the female cell, while asexual reproduction involves one parent cell. In asexual reproduction, the parent and offspring are identical, while in sexual reproduction, they are not identical. The essence of this process is to enable and ensure the continuity of species. Now the next one is excretion. Excretion is removing of metabolic waste from the body of the living organism. Excretory product in plants are oxygen, gum, resin, while in animals they are urea, carbon dioxide, and excess water. These substances can be harmful in the body and must therefore be removed from the system to avoid the poisoning of tissues. Lastly, let's look at nutrition. Nutrition is the ability of living things to obtain and make use of food. Nutrients in the body provide energy and material for growth and repairing. Animals cannot manufacture their own food. Instead, they depend on other organisms for food. For this reason, we refer to animal as heterotroph and to plant as autotroph. Please guys, the next video will be on body symmetry of organisms or living things. So please subscribe, watch this video, share it. I want to see your comment. I also want to see like. Thank you so much for watching.